Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because he was stuffed. Hi, online learners. All right, I'm going to share my screen so we can get started. We are going to start by counting by tens today. So you will see I have a number line. This is a number line. It's an online number line though. If we are starting by tens, we're going to start with the number 0. Do you see the 0 on my screen? We are going to start by counting 10, 20. How about I say it, then you say it? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Let's say it backwards now. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, oops, 40, you say it, 30, 12, 11, oh, I think I'm counting, hold on friends, sorry. There we go, there's our ticks, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Good job. So this is our number line. And you can see that it goes from 0. We are counting by 10, so it's going to go all the way to 100. It actually continues to go on and on and on. I think. Yep. So on my number line, I can either see the numbers or I don't have to see the numbers. So we're just going to count. Let's look up at a hundreds chart. Let's look at a hundreds chart. I like this hundreds chart because it skips the row. And as you look at it, every other column is going to be a different number. So we're looking at this hundreds chart. Take a look. All right, we are going to count by twos now. 2, skip that blue number, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Good job. Now let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now let's count by tens one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there are 10 numbers in between 10 to 20, in between 20 to 30, in between 30 to 40. So I'm going to go back to that number line. I want you guys to think about this number line. Say we're at the number 10. We're at the number 10. And we want to get all the way to number 40. So if I hide these, we're at 10. We want to get all the way, let's actually say 50. So 10 and 50. How many jumps would we have to make in order to get to 50? So let's imagine that we put a dot on 10. Let's count how many tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we would need 10, it would be 10 plus 40. 10 plus 40 more would get us to what number? That number right there, 50. Good job. Let's try it again. Let's clear all. I'm going to hide these numbers. Let's say we're at 10. Let's make it a little bit larger to 80. So our problem is going to be 10 plus something equals 80. So we have 10. We're going to act like we could do some jumps. 10. That's a jump of 10 because 10 to the next number is 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I'm going to put 70 in the box. 10 plus 70 equals 80. So we'll be learning more about the number line later on throughout the year. I am going to share another screen of mine. It's going to be my document camera. Let's see. And you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Does not matter what kind of paper, just a piece of paper and a pencil. All right, I'm going to share my screen. Hopefully my iPivo is hooked up. Awesome. So you'll see on this screen my number rack. All right, I'm going to clear my number rack. I'm going to clear my number rack, and I'm going to push over some numbers. We're going to, on our piece of paper, label it 1 through 10. So if you need to, pause the video and number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pause the video if you need to. All right, so with our number rack, I'm going to push over some beads, and we're going to write them. So say if I pushed over this many beads to the left, how many beads is that? Let's think about it. We know that this number rack consists of 20 beads. 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 on top and 10 on bottom. They're identical. So 10 plus 10 is 20. If I push over all of the red beads, it's going to be how many? Pause the video if you need to. 5. So I'm going to write 5 on number 1. This is what we're doing today. So this is called a quick look. If you can, try not to pause the video. You're going to try seeing if you can count these and then write them. So a trick that we can remember is if these, the top row, if all of those red beads are 5, count on, use computational fluency. So like 5, say if we had this, rather than counting slow like a sloth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you would go 5, count upwards, 6, 7, count on, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you're wasting 5 seconds. You could just say, oh, my brain automatically knows there's 5 beads right there, 5, 6, 7. So let's do the next one. If I push over this many beads, take a look. You can look on this side or also use this side to help you. How many did I just push over? We know that there's going to be 10 on the top row, 10 on the bottom row, because this is a 20 number rack. We know 1 less than 10 is what? 9. Let's write 9 right here. All right, friends. Let's try another one together. I'm going to push over this much. Take a look. How many? I want you to tell me how many are on this side, the left-hand side. 10. Yeah, you know this because there's 5 red and both the top and the bottom number rack are pushed over. So number 3 is going to be 10. Good job, guys. Let's try one more together. And the last 6 you have to do by yourself. So let me push these over. We'll clear our number rack. The next one is going to be What is it? Using computational fluency, count quickly. 5, 6, 7. Good job. All right, friends. I want you to try doing 5 through 10 by yourself. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm just going to show you the numbers. So number 5, on your mark, get set, go. Take a look. Take a look. How did you get to this number? Did you count them all individually? We know that the top red are 5, and we can count the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, number 6. Number 6, this is a quick look, so we got to do this quickly. How many? For number 6, how many on the left-hand side? We're looking at this side. Good job. We'll check our answer at the end. All right, next up. Write it. We'll check our answer at the end. Number 8. How many? On the left-hand side, take a look. Number 8. This is number 8. How many on this side? Write it down. We'll check it at the end. Good job. Number 9. How many? Take a look. How many on the left-hand side? Good job. And how many? How many on the left-hand side? How many have I pushed over to the left-hand side? Good job. Awesome, friends. Short and sweet today. Check your answers. So check your answers. 1 through 10 if you need to. Pause the video. Check your answers. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got them all right. If you maybe missed one of them, say, I'll do better next time. That's it for today. Thanks, guys.